Alright, so today I'm waiting for the arrival of my brand new camera, the Canon 80D. It is currently en route as we speak. I picked up this bundle on Amazon. It came with the camera, 2 lenses, memory card, a bag, and a whole bunch of other accessories. I thought I couldn't beat it. It seemed like, well, worth the bang for the buck, however you say it. Now, I first spotted this camera bundle at Costco about 3 months ago. I've been out of a camera for the past 3 months, but for the past 3 months I brought my memory card into Costco, and every single week I would go in and take pictures, videos, just kind of really running the camera through its paces, getting used to it. You could say I was doing my due diligence research on the camera, but my girlfriend would say otherwise, just kind of saying I was completely obsessed with the camera, to the point where she would not be surprised if Costco employees had stories about me.
Hey, Charlie, you gotta come check this guy out. The camera guy's back. I told you he would.
No way, he did. This guy doesn't give up, does he?
No, he doesn't. He comes in here like a lost puppy looking for food.
Yeah, he does. Oh, there he goes. He's picking it up.
Oh my God, this is my favorite part. Wait for it. Wait for it. Every single time. Look at him.
No.
Look at him.
No way.
Oh my God. Oh, please, someone just put this poor guy out of his misery.
Yeah. Oh, man, this poor dude. Hey, let's go get some pizza.
Anyway, it proved to be worth it. After taking countless pictures and videos, I came away impressed with the Canon 80D. Now, keep in mind, my previous camera, my workhorse camera, was the Sony AX53 4K camcorder, and I'd still be using that camera to this day if I didn't drop and break it, and then try to fix it and break it some more. Rest in peace. So instead of getting that camera again, I decided to take this opportunity and jump into the DSLR arena. Now, as awesome as the AX53 was, it was just kind of like set and forget. It really had no manual mode in it, and I felt like I was prime and ready to make the move up to a more experienced camera. Well, the Canon 80D I felt like was more of a manual, more deeper side into photography and video for beginners and intermediates, and I know a whole bunch of advanced people out there, they make that camera shine, so I was ready to make the jump. So here I am waiting for the Canon 80D, a camera that's been labeled as a camera that does everything great, but nothing amazing. But you know what? After doing comparisons between what I took at Costco and all the video files that I have in previous projects, the camera looks great. It doesn't look like it's gonna disappoint. All right then, is this thing here yet? Let's check to see if it's here yet. All right, open box time. Canon 80D, Amazon, crazy bundle. That's what we got in here. Oh yeah, that's right. I got headbands for my daughter. That doesn't come with the camera. All right, here we go. All right. As always, I'll leave a description. I'll leave a link in the description down below if you're interested in this. Pick up on the same bundle. All right, so we've got a camera strap, a cleaning kit, piece of paper. I guess this is these are the ND filters. Piece of paper. A little tripod or monopod. I guess another strap. Here's the bag. Pretty cool small bag. All right. 164 gig memory card. Yeah. The 55 to 250 millimeter f-stop 4. Up. And of course, the camera lens, the camera itself with the kit lens EF 1855 IS10 kit. Okay, so here we go. This is the Canon 80D, and off the bat, I'm going to tell you I really like the image quality of this camera. It has a nice little natural, soft, cinematic feel to it compared to my previous camcorder, the Sony AX53. Whatever that means, time will tell, but I'm really excited to dive into the manual features of this camera and kind of really let my creative instincts not be held down by the automatic mode. Now, if there's one gripe I had about the Canon 80D is that it does not record in 4K. It would have been nice to record in 4K and downscale it and post to 1080p, but you know, right now it's more of a want than a need, and it really doesn't suit the needs for what I'm doing right now. Also, another thing that I wanted to mention, the reason why I picked up this particular bundle is because me jumping into the DSLR arena, it was very confusing trying to get into the whole lenses, f-stops, you know, like what's what. So I wanted to, I got a bundle that kind of covered like the common area of those things where when I started recording, I'm like, I'm not in the loss or like, oh man, I should have gotten that. So I felt very comfortable getting this bundle. As always, I'll leave links in the description down below so you can see what's right for you, whether you need extra lenses or accessories like bags or whatever. You know, you can check it out, see the different various bundles that'll fit for you. Okay guys, the Canon 80D, I'm liking it so far. Really excited, can't wait to give you future videos about this camera, comparisons and all that stuff. Until next time guys, I will see you later. I'll leave you with some sample footage of the Canon 80D.